time, skinned-up knees, a shady grove and a willow breeze, braided hair, banana seats, popsicles and sticky trees.
Welcome to Baby and Toddler Time. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and this is Baby. And today we are saying goodbye to summer and hello to fall. And I hope you had a wonderful summer, because there's all kinds of really cool things you can do in the summer, but there's really cool things you can do in fall too. So today, a book about summer, a book about fall, and some songs and some games. Are you ready? Baby and I are ready. Let's go. When my daughter was 2, this is one of the books we took with us on a beach visit. We read it before we went to the beach. We read it after we went to the beach. We read it every day for a long time. At the Beach by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. At the Beach by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. I wear my bathing suit, and I bring my shovel and pail when I go to the beach. We bring our towels and beach umbrella and tote bag with us. In the tote bag, there are 2 cups and a thermos of lemonade. We have 2 sandwiches wrapped in aluminum foil and 2 peaches for lunch. There is a tube of sunscreen to rub on our skin so we don't get sunburned. I like the way sunscreen smells. Little sandpipers run down the beach, and I follow them. My feet make footprints in the wet sand. The sandpipers make footprints too. Yeah, little birds. I find some seaweed and seashells on the beach. I build a castle with my shovel and pail. The boy next to me digs a channel where his boat can float. Everyone is building something in the sand at the beach. Oh, look what those kids are doing. They're burying Grandpa in the sand. Looks kind of fun. I wade in the water. A little crab tweaks my toe, and little silver fishes swim past me. I like to walk past the lifeguard station to the big brown rocks. That is where the barnacles and snails and mussels live. When my mother and I go swimming, the waves crash on us and get us all wet. A big seagull swims close to us. Then I lie on my towel and dry myself in the hot sun until it is time for lunch. Yum. Need to have a nice lunch after you've been in that water. The salt air probably gives her an appetite. I love the beach, and I love this book. At the Beach by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. This is part of a series of books that the Rockwells did for the seasons. The next one to read is Apples and Pumpkins, and we'll read that one later on. But we have all 4 books in the seasonal series right here at the Alexandria Library. Little Red Rowboat, which is basically the same song as Little Red Wagon, except instead of being in a wagon, we're out to sea in a boat. Splashing up and down in my little red rowboat, splashing up and down in my little red rowboat, splashing up and down in my little red rowboat, won't you be my darling? Let's see what we can see. Looking out to sea in my little red rowboat, looking out to sea in my little red rowboat, looking out to sea in my little red rowboat, won't you be my darling? Did you see birds out there? Seagulls flying and pelicans? And I think I just saw a dolphin and a whale. Let's wave hello. Waving to a whale in our little red rowboat. Waving to a whale in our little red rowboat. Waving to a whale in our little red rowboat. Won't you be my darling? Oh, baby wants to see better. Baby, you shouldn't stand up. Don't stand up, 'cause you might fall over. Don't stand up, 'cause you might fall over. Don't stand up, 'cause you might fall over. Won't you be my darling? Are you okay, baby? It's a good thing you didn't fall in the water. Splashing up and down in my little red rowboat, splashing up and down in my little red rowboat, splashing up and down in my little red rowboat. Won't you be my darling? There you go. Nice job. One fun thing about board books is that because they're made out of the boards, you can do things to them. This particular book has different shaped pages and little holes between pages. It's a lot of fun. It's called What is Fall? It's by Jeannie Espinosa. What is fall? The days are shorter. Summer is done. Fall is here. Let's have some fun. What is fall? It's when juicy pumpkins, plump and sweet, are baked into tasty, yummy treats. It's when acorns tumble to the ground and hungry squirrels scurry around. It's when you need a scarf to wear and the smell of donuts fills the air. Pumpkin donuts, I think. It's when shiny apples on the tree become sticky candy treats for me. It's when sunflowers bloom, bright and tall. It's happy times together. This is fall. Yeah, you get to play in the leaves. Fall is a fun season. Lots of good things going on. And that is What is Fall by Jeannie Espinosa. Did all those treats make you hungry? They certainly made me hungry. You can find this book right on the board book shelf here at the Alexandria Library. Ring Around the Rosie is a classic kids circle game. They might like to do it, have baby right now on your hip, and if they're on your hip, they can go down or they can go backwards. See if they like that. They can also hold your hands while you walk together. They can do this on their own. However they want to do it works. You might notice I'm going to go in one direction and then the other direction because that's good for building middle ear, the vestibular system. Yeah, just know you're doing something good when you do this. Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Let's go the other way. You ready? And you can hold them on either side, whatever works for you. Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. And now we're going to do a special fall version of the song. This is exactly the same as Ring Around the Rosie. It's just a different song, so it's fun to sing in the fall. It goes like this. The leaves are green, the nuts are brown, they hang so high they won't fall down. Leave them alone till frosty weather and they will all come down together. Let's go the other way. The leaves are green, the nuts are brown, they hang so high they won't fall down. Leave them alone till frosty weather and they will all fall down together. Yeah, it's fun to do different versions of the same song. Good job, everybody. Good job. Baby and I have to say goodbye right now, but we hope we'll be seeing you next week right here on YouTube. And more importantly, we hope we'll be seeing you at our libraries. We have outdoor programs coming up in September. Check out our website for more information on that. We love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.